Today we are going to learn two-digit subtraction on the abacus. Let's take some examples and solve them together step by step. Watch carefully and move your fingers with me. 58 minus 12. 58, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 12. For minus 10, use helping 5 rule. Add 4, take 5. Minus 2, 1, 2. Answer is 46. Next, 89 minus 45. 50, 60, 70, 80, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 45, use helping 5 rule. Add 1, take 5, minus 5. Answer is 44. Next, 65 minus 31. 50, 65 minus 31. Use helping 5 rule. Add 2, take 5, minus 1. Again helping 5 rule. Add 4, take 5. Answer is 34. Next, 41 minus 30. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1. Minus 30, 10, 20, 30. Answer is 11. Next, 57 minus 13. 57, 5, 6, 7. Minus 13. Helping 5 rule. Add 4, take 5, minus 3, for minus 3, add 2, take 5. Answer is 44. Next, 80 minus 20. 50, 60, 70, 80. Minus 20, 10, 20. Answer is 60. Now, pause the video and try this. Wait 3 to 5 seconds. 64 minus 43. Did you solve it? Write the answer in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. Bye bye.